Setting the time on the EAAC200 and 201 alarm clock. Plug the clock into a wall outlet. The time will flash on the display. Press the hour and minute buttons to adjust the clock to the current time. An LED will appear next to PM on the display after reaching 12 PM. Press the Set Time button to save your changes and set the time. To change the time on the clock after setting it for the first time, press and hold the Set Time button until the display flashes, and repeat the previous steps.